Hello, today's machine is the eHigh X8 Thunderbolt, a 4-channel fixed pitch helicopter that in my opinion is nothing more than a WO Toys V913 clone. So much so that I even use my V913 radio when flying it. Now, as everyone knows, WO Toys makes really good products. I like their helicopters, and if you're one of those people who are flying a V911 right now and you're thinking about, well, maybe you should go to a V912 before you progress to a V913, I actually suggest you go straight to this. Just like the V913, the X8 is a smooth flying helicopter, very stable and very easy to fly for beginners. In many ways, it's easier to fly than the V912 because the V912 is very fast. Alright, let's have a closer look and a comparison to the WO Toys V913. Here we have a side-by-side comparison. This is the WO Toys V913 right next to the eHigh X8 Thunderbolt. Here's an under the hood side-by-side comparison, with the only difference being is that I put a brushless motor in the V913. Let's take a look. Here's the eHigh. Same board as you will find in the V913. Same parts. I actually already replaced the motor, and I used the motor replacement from the V913. And let's take a look at my brushless motor here. Isn't that cool? Same board. Okay, let's take her out for a flight.
Mess? I don't know anything about a mess, dear. It must have been Sherman. care of business.